You are one decision away from changing your entire life. Not next year. Not someday. Right now. Because the truth is, most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they don't know where to start. So let me ask you something. What if you could launch your first digital product business? Without coding. Without a team. Without spending months figuring things out. Sounds fake, right? Yeah, I thought so too. Until I found a system that literally compresses the entire process into one place. I'm talking about ToolSuite. And no, this isn't magic. It's leverage. Inside ToolSuite, you get access to over 50 AI tools. Not random tools. Tools designed to help you build a real e-commerce business from scratch. Let me break this down. Step 1. You need a product. But here's the twist. You don't start with the product. You start with demand. ToolSuite has AI tools that scan trends. They tell you what people are already searching for. What they're already buying. So instead of guessing, you're following data. Step 2. Create the product. Ebooks. Digital guides. Courses. Templates. Whatever you want. The AI inside ToolSuite literally helps you generate the content. Design it. Package it. You're not stuck staring at a blank screen anymore. Step 3. Build the store. This is where most people quit. Because tech gets confusing. But ToolSuite simplifies everything. Landing pages. Product pages. Checkout systems. All handled. You're basically assembling Lego pieces. Step 4. Traffic. Because let's be honest. No traffic means no money. ToolSuite includes tools for content creation. Ads. Copywriting. Even automation. So your business doesn't just exist. It grows. Now think about this. People are out here trying to build everything manually. Watching 50 different tutorials. Burning out. And you're here. Using one system to do it all. That's the difference. Speed. Execution. Momentum. So if you're serious about launching your first digital product business, check the link in the description. Or the pinned comment. That's where you'll find ToolSuite. Don't overthink it. Just start. And if this helped you, like the video. Subscribe. Because we're just getting started.